Hi friends, for our math journal today we're going to do number order to 5. So the first thing I do is always the same, look at the top and write my name. Now we are going to cut off this number strip at the bottom. And I'm going to look at the first caterpillar. I have 0, 1. The next number is going to be 2. After 1 is the number 2. So I'm going to glue in the number 2. I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to glue in my 2. Then after I get done, I'm going to practice tracing the numbers. 0, 1, 2. Okay, friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. Remember, you're going to count. So 3, 4, fill in the next number. This one, the first number is missing. So you're going to think what comes before 2. So finish doing the number order to 5 and then glue it into your math journal. I will see you all soon.